Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 8010 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. It doesn't really matter which one, but into Google, you want to look for HP OfficeJet 8010 support, and then just go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 8010 all-in-one printer series. Open that up. And now you want to go underneath the support category. This is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that. And now you want to just scroll down here underneath installation software and drivers and select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file. Give it a moment to extract here. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just allow for this HP Easy Start wizard to begin here. And just let it begin loading. Shouldn't take very long. And then just follow through with the on-screen steps of getting your printer configured for your device. You may need certain features if you want to have the optional data turned on. So you may not want to decline all optional data, but it really depends. You can just go underneath Manage Options and then just go through different privacy settings here. But pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to follow through with that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.